Hi guys, my name is Sharon from All in Edu Space, and today I would like to share a bit of information to you about resume and how to write a compelling one. What is a resume? A resume is a formal document that summarizes your professional qualifications, including your education, skills, work experience, leadership experience, and maybe achievements. A resume helps you to demonstrate your skills and persuade universities that you have the perfect qualifications and that you're also a perfect fit for them. So, why do you need a resume? A resume outlines your accomplishments, your interests, and also your skills, and is an important element for your college application. It's a fantastic way to show off what you've accomplished in high school and what you can bring to the table when you come to the university. In short, that makes you stand out in a very positive way. So, what are the things that you need to make a great resume? First of all, you should put your personal information, including your name, your address, and also your email. The next one is academic history. This is where you put your previous and existing high school, the name, and also location, and also year. You can also put some additional college courses if you take any. The next one is leadership activities. This section contains some specific activities where leadership is demonstrated. These may come from clubs, work, some community service, or maybe also some one-time event. The next one is your extracurricular activities. In this section, you can list down your participation in clubs, community service, projects, and others, both in and outside school. The next one is work experience. If you have ever joined an internship program, this is where you can put that experience. This could also some work over the summer, part-time, or freelance work. The next one is your achievements or awards. Have you ever joined or even won a competition? Here you can list down some achievements that you get from those events. You can also add some awards that you get from school, work, projects, or so much more. There's also an additional category where you can put your special skills or interest. Examples might include multiple language certifications, graphic design softwares, computer languages such as Java or C++, and also some specific hobbies. In addition, I would like to share some tips and tricks for you to write a great resume. Number one is to use power or action verbs. Power actions are verbs that contain positive meanings in English. When you use a power verb, you can communicate your message more strongly and confidently. Power verbs can also make your writing more interesting and prevent you from using the same word too many times. For example, instead of writing made a project, you can use the word develop to make it more powerful. Next, you have to be specific with your descriptions. You can't just describe what you do, but you also need to write down what you personally achieved in that particular activity. For example, if you did an internship, you have to describe your day-to-day activities and also responsibilities. What does it mean by quantifying? It means to be able to put a number on your accomplishments, such as the number that you raised on the fundraising or the number of audience that come into your recital. The next tip is to always use reverse chronological order in writing your resume. The timeline should start with the most recent events, going back to the oldest. It means in every section, you have to list down the newest or the latest job qualifications or experience that you've worked or achieved. The last tip is to always start with your personal details and education first, then follow with the categories that you have the most experience or depth in. If you want to find out more tips and tricks, you should go download our free resume writing guidebook, where you can find more samples, templates, and also exercises. So go download that on our description box. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please comment, share, and also subscribe to our channel to find out more university admission tips and tricks videos like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.